Hi guys, I've got some cash bulk to do today. What have we got? Oh, it's in order, so 31 to 33. Alright, see if we can have some luck. Oh yeah, let's see what our doubles are. So we've got diamond, star, clover. So we've got diamond, star, gold bar, and the sun. So those are our doubles for this pack. Alright, so we got the moon and VIP. Glitter ball and gem. We got clover and white ball. A chest and a crown, which is together. And then we got cactus and a save. And then we got heart and money bag. Star and a gold bar, I think, which is actually a double, 2 doubles. Okay. Then we got a dash and a ward. A couple of chances. And then we got grapes and a pound sign. So no luck on the first one. So can we find oh yes we did, but say can we find fingers? And we did. Yay. And is it going to be better than £3? Oh my god, it's £20. Wow. That was a nice surprise. I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to be £3. Wow, this is a nice profit session. Alright, I don't expect the next one to be a winner, guys, after that. Just zoom out a little bit. There we go. Wow. Definitely did not expect that at all. So we got grapes and a crown. Gold bar and a money bag, and that's a double. And we got cactus and a test together. And we got diamond, which is another double, and the moon. Be nice if we got back-to-back wins after that, wouldn't it? Then we got VIP and a heart. Clover and a rainbow. Looks like it's going to be a little bit of a tease, I think. And then we got chest and a pound. We have got a few chances. Oh, we have, guys. We've only got back-to-back wins after getting that £20. Wow. Definitely did not expect that. And then we got palm and an apple. So we got one win across there. Can we get anything at the bottom? No. No. No, so just one win. Wow, for £5. Wow. We still got one to go. This is nice profit on this one, guys. This one is 100% not winning after that. Not after getting back-to-back wins. I wouldn't have thought anyway. You never know. And we got glitter ball and a light bulb. Dash and a rainbow. A save and a pound. So we need a lemon. And then we got grapes and 7. And we got heart and a chest. Sun and a palm tree. And that's a double. And then we've got a crown and wad. And then the last two, Maybag and Cactus. But we knew that weren't going to be a winner at the top there. There's no way these things. I'd be very surprised if the fingers come out again now. Yeah, I didn't think so after that. Well, what a session though, guys. So we got £5 on there. Remember, this is back-to-back wins 32 and 31. And then the fingers down there for a nice £20. Wow. Definitely did not expect that. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.